I'm Ames Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap.
We're about to tell you all about the Cabot Freshman Academy. A new school year is about to begin, and we'd like to introduce you to CFA's awesome administrators. Principal Anna Davis and Assistant Principal Kevin Floyd and Lisa York.
The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and is solely dedicated to ninth graders. The #1 goal is to provide incoming freshmen with the foundation they need to succeed at Cabot High School.
Something new and exciting this year, all students will be enrolled in pre-AP algebra and English. CFA is participating in a program with other schools around the nation, where students take pre-AP courses in certain subjects. This will allow CFA to better prepare students for high school and classes after high school.
For the past 2 years, the Freshman Academy has also implemented a program called C2G. C2G is designed to provide students with the extra help and support students may need in math, science, social studies, and English.
Every day, students are given a 40-minute block of time to meet with their teachers for extra help or to make up work. Students can also use the time independently as an incentive.
Now here's some helpful information as we get ready to kick off the new school year. Scheduled pickup is Thursday, August the 1st, from 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. You can pick up your schedule in person, or you can access it online using your Hack account. Remember, all fines and fees must be paid for to receive your schedule.
Supply lists will also be available on the CFA school website, or paper copies will be available at scheduled pickup or open house. Open house is Thursday, August 8th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
If a student drives a vehicle, they must purchase a parking pass in the office.
Meal prices for the 2019-2020 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60.
You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house and scheduled pickup day. More information can be found at our district website at cabotschools.org.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or returning student, you must pre-register, update their information online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
The Cabot Freshman Academy motto is "Graduation starts here."
And faculty and staff are looking forward to another great year.